and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in your Exodus wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, to log in your Exodus account, all you need to do is simply tap on the app itself. So once you have opened the app, to log in your prior account, all you need to do is simply tap on the four box like icon, and once you have done this, you need to tap on the settings option. There you need to scroll down below and find the restore wallet option. So once you're here, you need to now type in the backup code or phrases to restore your existing wallet that you had created before. So once you have typed in the secret phrase, you can simply log in into your Exodus wallet again. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.